Virat Kohli on Saturday dropped a bombshell by quitting Test captaincy following the unexpected series defeat against South Africa. Kohli was appointed Test captain back in 2014 when MS Dhoni stepped down in the middle of the series against Australia. Taking everyone by surprise, in a statement which he posted on Twitter, Kohli wrote, "Everything has to come to a halt at some stage, and for me as Test captain of India, it's now. There have been many ups and also some downs along the journey, but there has never been lack of effort or lack of belief." His shocking announcement came a day after India lost the Test series in South Africa. The 33-year-old had recently quit as T20 captain and was later sacked at ODI captain by the BCCI.